Hi everyone, thanks for tuning into my channel. Today I want to show you how to display some shells as a wall hanging. I decided on a heart shape and I used Hama beads to create the shape. I ironed it and then I spray painted it white. I then used a glue gun to carefully position my shells and glue them on. Be careful not to use too much glue or burn your fingers. Tweezers would help, especially if you want to add some pearls. I found some faux pearls from a dollar op shop. I then glued a ribbon onto the back to hang it with. I hope you enjoyed this easy tutorial. For many more, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy crafting everyone.